Well, good morning. First of all, I want to say that we have started using a new camera. We're going to try it out. Let me know what you think, if this is pretty good or not. Anyways, today we are going to finish putting down the weed fabric. That's woven fabric. Another name for it is geotextile, but don't buy it when it says that because it's more expensive. Look for woven ground cover. But right now I gotta say, a lot of this is all really beat down, so I'm gonna rototill that and just kind of like smooth it out so it's not so pressed down. We haven't done much, in fact, in the way of things around the homestead because it's been raining a lot all week. We had a little break in which we went ahead and rototilled a whole bunch of stuff, and Darren went ahead and planted. I'm going to show you that. Darren went ahead and planted right here by the goat barn is where we planted all of the squashes, cantaloupe, zucchinis, so on and so forth. All right here, that's all the corn, that's glass corn. Today we want to finish getting the ground cover down, and then we're going to go ahead and start planting today. That's the end of it. So I measured from here all the way to there. It's 88 feet, and that's about 12 feet. I thought I bought a 100-foot roll, but I must have bought a 300-foot roll. Oh, is that where you're going to put the flowers? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full rows plus 4 little ones. Well, 4.5 little ones. 88 feet long, 12 feet long. It's like 500 feet. Brand new roll, haven't even used it. We still have to do up top. We're gonna wait till tomorrow. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow. We're kind of beat. We got some flowers. Plant some flowers there to bring some bees in. And that's about it. Well, we're back again another day. How you like the hammer? Any better? Anyways, we're planting today. We were gonna do the top and put the row covers down, but you know what? We're kind of beat. But today we're going to go ahead and plant tomatoes. He has already gone and put holes where the tomatoes are going to go. And he can show you that process. We just use the torch that hooks to a propane tank. Just a regular torch that hooks to it. You turn it on, let it get hot. You touch it, and it puts a hole right where you want it. Just big enough to put a tomato. We'll do this for all the tomatoes. We're also going to do this for all of the peppers. And then everything else, that's what we got this little torch thingy for that you saw us using yesterday. We'll make the holes ourselves because they'll be smaller holes. But that is the goal today, is to get all the tomatoes planted. He's bringing the plants over. I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll catch up with you in a little bit.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. The lodge by the water's still my favorite place, and I could come every year and it wouldn't change.
Oh, there you have it. Desiree's gonna go and count.
Where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there.
102 tomatoes. They are a mixture of mortgage lifter, Amish paste, beefsteak, Ruger's, brandy wine, Big Boy, and Early Girl. Those are the different ones. They're all big ones. Most of them are indeterminants. These ones right here, we have 2 of them. These 2 at the end, are yellow plum, and then the next two, this one and this one, is the Cherokee purple. And I'm just keeping those separate because I want to make sure I save seeds from those, and I want to see how they do. So I kind of want to keep them separated from the others. Most of these are heritage or also hybrids. Hybrids does not mean it's GMO. All of them are non-GMO. That's it for the tomatoes. 102 tomatoes planted, and it did take us quite a while. It took approximately about almost 3 hours. And the nice thing is that we do not have to worry about weeds. Yes, it's a little bit more work up front, but no weeds for the entire season. That is it. We're done for the day. And I want to catch you on the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe, and we'll see you then.